Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to teach you how to draw the capsicum. So let's start. Draw the C-like shape. Now an inverted C on the other side. Join them from upper part also. Join them together. Now complete it. So here is our capsicum. Now draw the eyes. And a big smile. And our capsicum is ready. Now I will use black sketch pen to do the outline. So our capsicum is ready. Now we'll start coloring it. I am using red color to color it. Capsicum is of three colors, red, yellow and green. So you can use any color of your choice. I am taking red color here. I am using red color crayon to color it. You can also use green or yellow as per your choice. Now do the black color in eyes. Now green color in stem. So our red capsicum is ready. So friends, if you like my videos, Please comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim for more such interesting videos. Stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye. Take care.